Alright, how you guys doing today? So, little problem on the Jeep that we're going to try and take care of in this video. Okay, so on my Rotopax side mount right here on the trail racks system, the Rotopax right here, this key, is actually jammed and I can't unlock or lock it. So I called Rotopax and they said the only way to fix this is to drill out the hole, and so let's do that right now. Alright, so just to show you guys that it is actually stuck, we've got the official key here for the Rotopax system. So yeah, you can see it's fairly jammed right there. And the only way they said I can get this out is if I drill it. So this guy out, we're going to start with a 13/64 drill bit and then obviously work our way up to hopefully the diameter of this system. Okay, let's do it. I should also say, always wear eye protection when doing this because I am sure stuff will fly out. So let's be safe when we're doing this. So you guys can see right in here, those are the little locking pins that are on the Rotopax system for the key to engage, but I think we just reached that, so let me grab some pliers and see if we can yank it out. So I think it needs a little bit more, but we've got a little bit of a lateral rotation now, so we're definitely making some good progress, and we'll keep drilling away. I actually think the 1/4-inch drill bit was the way to go, so we're going to stick with that and keep hacking at it. Right here, this piece just came out from the system, and it actually is one of the locking pins. You can see they go in right there, so I think we're getting pretty close. Yep. Alright, so I just made a switch to a high-speed drill bit so that now it's a little bit more sharp at the tip, and we're back to a 1/4-inch, so let's tack at it again. Alright, so I hope you guys can see right in there, those little circles are where the pins connect, and we actually just broke through the second layer, so I feel like we're getting pretty close now. We'll keep going. After looking at it further, there's another layer of pins inside, so we've got to keep going. Crazy how intense this system is. Jeez. God. What the hell? Make sure you're using decent drill bits because it just broke straight through mine. It's pretty fun. So we'll have to get a different one. So it seems like we're getting close every time, but then the hole just keeps going. So we're gonna keep drilling in. So realistically, that's not exactly what you wanted to do, but this part, let me get it out. Realistically, this part right here, the circle where the lock is, it was honestly not coming out. So the only way I thought I could get it out was really just by getting this whole piece, and then hopefully Rotopax will send me a whole replacement for this little section. But yeah, it's pretty tough. So like I said at the beginning, please make sure you're wearing eye protection, because there's chunks coming out of metal like this big. These are gonna hurt like crazy if you get them in your eye. So like I just showed you those metal chunks, please make sure you're wearing eye protection. I was wearing my glasses along with these heavy duty glasses with a protecting ring at the top. My hair is covered with metal shards and my arm is covered with metal shards. So getting one of those little tiny pieces in your eye is gonna hurt like hell. So make sure you're wearing glasses, and please do this at your own risk. It's definitely a little bit of a risky project, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that video of me drilling at the Rotopax lock, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, and the like button helps the channel out a lot. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.